Imagine looking up at the sky, only to see a ball of fire racing toward you. Seconds later, the earth shakes, windows shatter, and the air itself roars. This isn't science fiction. It's happened many times before, and one day, it will happen again. Throughout Earth's history, the sky has rained rocks, meteorites crashing down with unimaginable force. These impacts have changed landscapes, shaped evolution, and even ended entire eras. Let's uncover the story of the rocks that fell from the heavens and what they mean for us today. Meteorites begin as space rocks, asteroids or fragments of comets drifting through the solar system. Most burn up harmlessly in our atmosphere, appearing as shooting stars. But when a larger one survives its fiery descent, it becomes a meteorite. These objects vary in size. Some are as small as pebbles, others as massive as mountains. And even a rock only a few meters wide can release the energy of an atomic bomb when it strikes Earth. Perhaps the most famous example is the Chicxulub impact 66 million years ago. A 10-kilometer asteroid slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The explosion released energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, throwing debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, and plunging the Earth into darkness. Dinosaurs, once rulers of the planet, never recovered. Without that impact, mammals and humans might never have risen. But Chicxulub wasn't the only one. About 35 million years ago, the Chesapeake Bay impact carved a massive crater under what is now the eastern United States. Even today, the geology and water systems of the region are shaped by that single event. And in Canada, craters like Sudbury and Manicouagan tell stories of equally colossal collisions, scars from an ancient sky full of cosmic bullets. Not all impacts are ancient. In 1908, the skies over Siberia exploded in what's now known as the Tunguska event. A space rock, probably 50 meters across, disintegrated before hitting the ground, unleashing a blast that flattened 80 million trees over an area the size of a major city. Locals reported the night sky glowing bright enough to read newspapers thousands of kilometers away. More recently, in 2013, a meteor about 20 meters wide entered the atmosphere over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The shockwave from its explosion injured over 1,600 people, shattering windows and damaging buildings. It was a stark reminder: we live on a planet still vulnerable to sudden cosmic visitors. These stories aren't just from history, they're warnings. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects, but we've only discovered a fraction of what's out there. A rock just a few hundred meters wide could devastate an entire country if it hit in the wrong place. And though rare, impacts are inevitable. The question isn't if, but when. At the same time, meteorites have given us incredible gifts. Scientists study them to learn the origins of our solar system. Some even contain organic molecules, the building blocks of life, suggesting that impacts may have seeded Earth with the ingredients needed for biology itself. In a way, these deadly rocks may also be part of the reason we exist. So the next time you see a shooting star, remember, most are harmless, fleeting sparks of beauty. But every once in a while, one of those sparks grows into something much bigger, a cosmic visitor with the power to shape worlds. The day the sky rained rocks is not just in Earth's past. It will happen again. The real question is, will we be ready? If you want more science explained in simple terms, don't forget to subscribe to Earth in 5. Knowledge is the first step toward change.